to add Facebook or Instagram profile to Meta account. Now, all we have to do in order for us to add our Facebook or Instagram profile to our Meta account center is to tap on this main menu right here and then scroll down until we find Settings and Privacy. All we have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once we're here, all we have to do is to tap on Meta Account Center right here and then scroll down to the very end until we see Accounts on the lower part. Right there. Now, in order for us to add a Facebook or Instagram profile to our Meta Account Center, all we have to do is to tap on Add Accounts right here. Now, Meta will be able to detect every Facebook or Instagram profile that we have. Now, like this one. Now, all we have to do in order for us to add this specific account to our Meta Account Center is to hit Continue right here and tap on Yes, add this specific username. Right there. After that, if you check it out right here, that specific Instagram account or Facebook account will automatically be added to our Meta Account Center. So that's how to add Facebook or Instagram profile to Meta account. Hope you helped.